So today, 6th of June 2020, and by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we'll be reciting from Canto 3, Chapter 5, text 34, 35, 36, 37, I don't know, because they are one-liner. So let us see what best we can do. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye. Nashprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtuki. 3.5 and 34. Anilo api vukurvano navasoro valanvitaha sasarjarupatanmatram jyotirlokasya lochanam. Synonym. Anilaha, air, api, also. Vikurvanaha, being transformed. Navasa, sky. Urubala anvitaha, extremely powerful. Sasarja, created. Rupa, form. Tat matram, sense perception. Jyotihi, electricity. Lokasya, of the world. Lochanam, light to see. Translation by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. This is one liner translation today. Thereafter, the extremely powerful air interacting with the sky generated the form of the sense perception, and the perception of form transformed into electricity, the light to see the world. Om Jnana Timrandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmritamenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishnavasthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Tadade Supadandikam Bandeham Sri Guru Shadapadakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Visantam Sajivam Sadhuitam Savadutam Prajana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakhanvitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenbandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishavanushude Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Vangsha Kalpataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhu Vacha Padita Nama Bhavani Vaishnavevyo Namo Namah Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vashadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtabhuta Rishmi Jivataka Samaniti Namani Ramacharya Padaya Nitya Kripa Pradayane Gaur Katha Damadaya Nagargam Tarne Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtabhuta Srimati Bhaktivedanta Samaniti Namani Namaste Sarvadeva Gaurvani Pracharane Nivse Sunyavadi Vasiti Tarne Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vashadi Gaur Bhaktam Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Anilo api vikurvana navashoro valanvitaha sasarja rupatanmatram jyotirlokasya lochanam. Translation. As you all know, discussion between Rishi Maitreya and Vidur Maharaj. The Vidura is being informed today. The air is extremely powerful. You want to know the example? The recent hurricanes that took the Odisha, Paschim Bengal, Gujarat to the chaotic situation. That powerful. Whether it is a tsunami or it is a virile wind or things like that, air is very, very powerful. So much so powerful that if we cannot breathe in, we die. That much power. In fire, what may get burned, he may be admitted in the hospital, may get cured, but he won't die immediately. It'll take time. But here is so powerful that we don't breathe in for 10 seconds or 15 seconds, then Ram Nam Satya. So he's saying that air was very, very powerful, and it interacting with the sky generated the form of sense perception, sense of touch, and the perception of the form transported into electricity. You know electricity? When somebody taps from behind, there's a current in his body. Isn't it? So, the sense of perception, and it gives the light, and the light was created because the word. You know why the light was created for the word? Because we are in one globe, and there's a completely darkness in it. So, in order to see, the light was created within that. It's a golakar, it's a kumbha, which is just surrounding by the different entities of the Lord. But to create the light was then created in forms of electricity, in form of sun, in form of moon, in form of a star, and something like that. So that we can see the world. Now let us take to the text too. There is no purport of Srila Prabhupada. So, because it's an interactive class, so generally in ISKCON we don't take the shloka, but it's interactive class. So we thought, okay, let's take it. Anilenanvitam jyotir vikruvat paravikshitam adhatambhorasamayam kalamayam sayogataha. Anilena, by the year, anvitam, interacted, jyotihi, electricity, vikrunavat, being transformed, parivikshitam, being glanced over by the Supreme, adaha, no, adataha, created, amba rasamayam, water with taste, kala, the inner time, maya amsa, the extended energy, yogataha, by a mixture. Again, translation. There is no purport here also. When electricity was surcharged in the air and was glanced over by the Supreme, at the time, by the mixture of eternal time and extended energy, there occurred the creation of water and the taste. Believe me or not, in any other dharma, you will not get these details. How the earth is formed. They simply say, Lord desire. We also know Lord desire. But in what way it comes into existence as being is only Srimad Bhagavatam or the Vedic literature can tell you categorically. Today, I heard a great, renowned Kathakar of India. He may have maybe 40-50 lakhs of followers. He commented on Krishna, which is very bad. He said he proclaimed that he came here, Dharma Sansthapanarthaya. But he said he couldn't achieve this. He said, you want to know the reason? The reason is because his own children and kinsmen, they were drinking on the road. So how can you call him as a supreme who could not even educate his family member? Would you believe? Renowned. 60 to 70 lakhs followers. And they'll take it for granted, right? So therefore, Prabhus, I've been telling you from time and again. Don't only listen. Read yourself. Don't put your faith on the listening. Oh, Prabhuji is speaking, somebody is. No. Sadhu, Guru and Sastra. Whatever you hear, check it out. There are instances. The great leader of society, he took away his followers to make his own samstha, to make his own cult. So I just wanted to tell you, or those who will be listening my videos throughout the world, They may be knowing what I'm talking about. But would you believe? That's what Krishna says, Manushyanam sahistreshu kasyit yatasiddhayi yatatam api siddhanam kashin mam viti tattvah. It is not easy to understand Krishna and Krishna consciousness. So please, even I'm talking about me or you or anybody, you hear, read yourself categorically, spend some time, invest some time, so that tomorrow if I say something, or whom you love, whom you follow, if he says something, you just go with him, leaving Krishna consciousness on side. This is not an order. This is a suggestion, and very valuable suggestion. Don't depend on one person. You may say, oh, that Prabhupada was saying like this, oh, that Prabhu says like this, oh, that Maharaj says like this. Okay, fine, it's agreed. But what about your own swadhyaya? Okay? So just in between I interjected this because you should know it. So Prabhupada is translating here, when electricity was surcharged in the air and was glanced by the Supreme, nothing happens without the energy of the Lord. So here he says he glanced over. At the time, the mixture of the eternal time and action and energy, there occurred the creation of water, and with the water came the taste. As I think yesterday I was picking the point. If water has no taste, it is no water. So every water or waterly product, it has its own taste. So, if you have the taste of Srimad Bhagavatam, swadu swadu pade pade. We repeat this sloka n number of times. Nigam galpa taror galitam phalam sukhmukhad dharma samyutam. Pivatam rasham bhagavatam alayam muhuraho rushika bhuvi bhavikaha. So please, 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 do not simply depend upon one speaker, or in that sense many speakers. No, your swadhyaya is must. Alright? So let me take to the next sloka also. Jyotisambho anusrishtam vikurvat brahma vikshitam mahe gandha gunan adhat kalamayam sayogataha. Jyotisha, electricity, ambaha, water, anusmrashtam, thus created, vikurvat, due to transformation, Brahma, the Supreme, Bij, Vikshitam, so glanced over, Mahim, the earth, Gandha, smell, Gunam, qualification, Adaha, was, Adhat means was created, Kala, eternal time, Maya, action and energy, Amsaha, partially, Yogataha, by intermixture. Translation. Thereafter, the water was produced from electricity, was glanced over by the Supreme Personal Godhead and mixed with eternal time and action and energy. Thus it was transformed into the earth, which is qualified primarily by smell. So we say no that their body is also made of earth. What is the proof? Proof is here, because it smells. So if your body smells, you are made of earth. Bhumira panalo vayu, you are made of that. So he smells. Let us say beautiful purport of Srila Prabhupada. From the descriptions of the physical elements in the above verses, it is clear that in all stages, the glance of the Supreme is needed with the other additions and alternations. In every transformation, the last finishing touch is the glance of the Lord, who acts as a painter, does when he mixes the different colors to transform them into particular color. When one element mixes with other, the number of its quality increases. For example, the sky is the cause of air. The sky has only one quality, namely sound. But by interaction of the sky with the glance of the Lord mixed with eternal time and the external nature, the ear is produced, which has two qualifications, sound and touch. Similarly, after the ear is created, the interaction of the sky and air touched by time. The action and energy of the Lord produced electricity. Next, the interaction of electricity with the air and sky mixed with time, the action and energy of the Lord glance over them produced water. In the final stage of the sky, there is one quality, namely sound. In the air, two qualities, sound and touch. In the electricity, three qualities, namely sound, touch, and form. In the water, four qualities, sound, touch, form, and taste. And in the last stage of physical development of the result is earth, which has all five qualities, the sound, touch, form, taste, and smell. Although they are different mixtures of the different materials, such mixtures do not take place automatically, just as the mixture of the color does not take place automatically without the touch of the living painter. What a beautiful purport by Srila Prabhupada. No need of any explanation. The automatic system is factually activated by the glancing touch of the Lord. Living consciousness is the final word in all physical changes. This fact is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita 9.10 as follows. Maya dhakshena prakritihi suyate sacharacharam. Hetu naneva kaunteya jagat viparvartate. The conclusion is that the physical elements may work very wonderfully to the layman's eye, but their workings actually takes place under the supervision of the Lord. Those who can mark only the changes of the physical elements cannot perceive the hidden hands of the Lord behind them are certainly less intelligent person, although they may be advertised as great material scientists. And that's end the purport and translation of Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 5, text 34, 35, 36 by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So these are all actually the elements. And you know what? So many people say there are 24 elements. Somebody say 26 elements. Somebody say 28 elements. Somebody say 17 elements. Somebody say 19 elements. So many elements. So I had put Kirtada to in charge to find out this. She found out in Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 11, Chapter 22, text 1 to 4, about these material elements. Read it yourself. You will come to know. Uddhava is asking this question to Lord Sri Krishna. He's saying, my dear Lord, you told me there are 28 elements, but so many say 26, so many say 24, so many say 17, so many say 15. What is it all about? So, I wanted to read yourself. Srimad Bhagavatam 11.22, text 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you read further, you will understand. So, this is the way of developing Krishna consciousness. Hearing the sadhu, conversing with the devotees, swadhyaya reading yourself, Pathan and Pathan is must. What is Pathan Pathan? Sharanavanti Gayanti. Pathan Pathan is must. Otherwise, you never know at what point of time we may develop ill intelligence. And then you may say, oh yeah, you know what? Because we do not know many things about our Hindu culture, generally. And when somebody passes the comments, we laugh. We laugh two ways of laughing. One is on a foolishness that I did not know. And another is appreciating that he knows. And we are satisfied with this. Anybody says anything to our God, you say, okay, because we don't read ourselves. So if you want to know Krishna, You have to hear a lot. You have to read a lot. You have to talk a lot. Without this lot, nothing will happen. Manmaya, Mohit Diha, Purusha Purushasava, Sreyo Badatene Kandam, Yatha Karma Yatha Ruchi. According to the karma, according to the ruchi, they will speak about Krishna. They'll about Krishna. And they go for popular. If somebody say, Maharaj, I'll give you 20 lakhs of rupees or 30 lakhs of rupees. Can you tell me what is wrong in about all this? I tell you, they can tell. And this will be, as I said, we are saying, simply speculation, they may not know. Krishna has categorically confirmed, Janma Karma Cha Mein Divyam. My birth and activities are Divya. So with this three dimension, if you are trying to explain Krishna without telling, without hearing Krishna, what he's saying about him, how can anybody really justify his whimsical thoughts? I'm very angry, actually. If I had power, I would young. I would really taken to this seat. But what to do? Limitation. But what I can do, I can read it myself. I can hear from my the Vaishnava Jana. Not only Tilaka, Vaishnava Jana is the character. These people are also in Vaishnava Tilaka. They are also Vaishnava Tilaka. But the deeds and thoughts that makes one a devotee. Sachame Priya. They only become Priya of the Lord. Otherwise, one sloka is in Ramayana. Dhan, Putra और दारा पापी को भी होय. Dhana means opulence, putra means progeny, dara means wife. तो धन, पुत्र और दारा पापी को भी होय. These three things, even the papis can acquire. What is so great about it? Swadhyaya. Yesterday we were reading the sloka. Yesterday. ईशां न विद्या न तपो न दानं न ज्ञानं न शीलं न गुणो न धर्मं ते वृत्तिलोके भुविहारभूता मृगास् मनुष्यरूपेण मृगाः शरन्ति. This mriga is not actually deer. Mriga represents here the animals. So, na yasha, na vidya, na tapa, na dana, na jnana, na sila, na guna, na dharma. If we are briefed of these things, what can we have really achieved in life? Yesterday, other day, we were talking about the prosperity. If we have not earned Krishna consciousness. So, the human body, we have got it many, many times from time immemorial. I used to say that पुनितात मिले सुन भ्रात मिले जुगति सुखदाई लोक मिले परलोक मिले विधि लोक भी जाई और यहाँ सब कुछ मिले लेकिन संत समागम दुर्लभ भाई. So many times we had our own parents, different sets of parents. We may have different sets of the children. Repetition is going on, but what have you achieved? If you could not cut the knot of this birth and death, what's it all about? Do you think the Vidura is in need of this? Maitreya is in need of this? They are only telling this for the Lokit Karano, for us to understand. They become via media to tell. Sometime, if there's government policy, they put in the newspaper to let everybody know what the policy is. Right? So this is a spiritual advertisement. Srimad Bhagavatam is spiritual advertisement to tell the people what we are doing, what we should be doing, what we should not do, how we should do it, when we should do it. So the Uddhava, or for Vidura and Maitreya, they are not in need of the discussion. They are only discussing it for our welfare. So Swadhyaya, read, you will enjoy. So with this, I'll conclude my talk. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to be with you. Hare Krishna.